Welcome to the world of wardrobe door designs where style meets functionality. In this video, we will explore some trendy and innovative wardrobe door ideas to transform your space. Let's start with the ever popular sliding doors. Not only do they save space, but they also add a touch of contemporary elegance to your room. Choose from mirrored panels for a spacious feel or go for roasted glass for a subtle, sophisticated look. For those who love a touch of rustic charm, barn doors at a fantastic choice. Their sliding mechanism and distinct design make them a statement piece in any room. You can opt for reclaimed wood for an eco-friendly twist. Mirrored wardrobe doors are not just for checking your outfit. They can visually expand your space and enhance the overall brightness of your room. It's a classic choice that never goes out of style. Bifold doors are a great solution for smaller spaces. They fold in on themselves, providing easy access to your wardrobe without taking up extra room when open. Plus, you can customize the panels to match your aesthetics. Why settle for plain when you can have patterns? Add a dash of personality to your wardrobe doors with intricate designs. Whether it's a geometric shapes, florals, or abstract art, it's a unique way to showcase your style. Whether you prefer a sleekness of sliding doors, the charm of barn doors, the functionality of mirrored panels, the space saving brilliance of bifolds, or the artistry of patterns, the choices are endless. Find the perfect wardrobe door design that not only reflects your taste but also complements your lifestyle. For those who love a modern twist, consider doors with integrated LED lights. Illuminate your wardrobe in style, making it easier to find your favorite outfits while adding a touch of contemporary flair. Do you enjoy playing with design? Opt for modular wardrobes with customizable door panels. Mix and match materials, colors, and textures to create a truly unique piece that reflects your personality. Before you decide, here are some quick tips. Consider the available space. Choose materials that complement your room decor and prioritize functionality. Now let's wrap it up. And there you have it, a glimpse into the world of wardrobe door designs. Whether you are a fan of classic elegance, rustic charm, space savers, modern vibes, or custom recreation, the choice is yours. Which design caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe for more design inspiration. Until next time, happy designing.